Hey guys, it's Josh. I got a quick video here comparing the Tesla front-facing camera to my GoPro setup. So to start, this is the two overlaid one another. So Tesla cam on top, GoPro setup on the bottom. This is what I call the Nemesis roundabout. So let me know what you think of this video setup. And secondly, this is going to be the Tesla front-facing camera footage alone. So you can see how good the Tesla camera is in terms of contrast and light intensity at night. And now transitioning onto my setup, and you can see how with my setup it's much harder to see out the windshield. It's a difficult filming setup with the GoPro inside the car, both filming the screen and outside the car, particularly at night it's difficult, so this highlights that really well.